Hello. Yes, let me take this opportunity to congratulate all Form 4 leavers. Now, after completing your Form 4 examination, you are welcome to join Pre-Form 5 for those who wish to pursue or to start advanced mathematics for the next year. So welcome, and we are going to start the second topic. The first topic of Form 5, the first topic for advanced mathematics is called the calculating device. Calculating device, where we are going to learn about how to use the scientific calculator for solving various advanced mathematics problems. So start the second topic. The second topic for advanced mathematics is called set. Yes, this one. And today we are going to begin with introduction. Today we're going to begin with the introduction. Yeah, I hope you are aware that a set is a collection of things or objects with common characteristics. You have studied it in Form 2. Do you remember that? So let us write the definition here. We can say a set, yes, is a collection. Yeah, of what? Of objects. Which have, yes, a common, yes, which have common purpose, yes. The definition, the reference of this definition is from the Thai book of advanced mathematics. So don't worry about the concept, because we are learning from the materials where you're going to be familiar with. Yes, a set is a collection of objects. When there are some objects with the similar characteristics or which have the same purpose, we call it a set. For instance, there is a set of, let's say, much common terminology, a dinner set. A dinner set, that means it comprises various vessels for dining, for dinner, for taking supper. That's what we call the dinner set. It includes maybe the plates, yes, the sauce, let's say not the glasses, jug, teacup, and whatever. So we are saying that example of, yes, for instance, example for set, it can be the cup of tea. Cup of tea. There is a set of cup of tea. Or we can say dinner set. There is a dinner set. Yeah. For more understanding, you can look at these pictures. Can you see those pictures? Yes, those are the examples of the set. Yes, after knowing the definition of a set, now let us come to other terminologies concerning set. There is another terminology called the element. Yes, there is another concept or term to understand, is called what? Elements. Yes. An element, this is, you can say an element is an object inside a set. Yes, can you take that one? An element is an object inside a set. For instance, if you do consider a class as a set, is it clear? It means each student in that class can be considered as an element of that set. So that is all about an element. So we can say an element is, yes, is an object, yes, is an object, yes, is an object enclosed in a set, enclosed, yes, in a set by curl brackets, yes, by curl brackets. Yes. And what is this curly brackets? The curly brackets look like this one. So all objects that can be written inside the curly brackets are called the elements. Are called what? Elements. So another term here to understand is about how can we present a set? How can we present a set? Is it clear? How can we write it? Yes, we are saying that a set, yes, another concept is this one. A set is denoted. It is denoted. A set normally is denoted by a capital letter. A set is normally denoted by a capital letter. Yes, like this one. So for instance, we can say this one. Yes, this means is a, can you see this one? Set A. Set A. Then what next is the curly bracket. Inside the curly brackets there will be members. Yes, there will be the elements or members. I think it is very simple to understand because you have a prior knowledge about it from Form 2. Okay, now let us come to see what are the concepts to be covered in this topic. After knowing the definition of a set, yes, the definition of an element, and how the set is written, now let us come to concept to be covered. Concepts, yes, to be covered in this topic. Concept to be covered in this topic. One, it will be, now okay, now we're going to start with the methods. We're going to start with the methods of representing a set, presenting a set. That is the first subtopic to learn about. The second subtopic will be is types of sets. Yes, the third subtopic will be the basic operation of a set. Basic set operations. Yes, these are the concepts to be covered. Another one is Venn diagram. We are going to cover the concept about the Venn diagram. Yes, but the Venn diagram here that will show three sets. Sets. Yes, another one, the last but not the least, is simplification of set expression. Simplification, yes, simplification of a set operations. Simplification of a set operation. That means we're going to see on how to simplify a set. That can be from a ready problem, maybe we're going to reduce the ready problem to a set and whatever. So stay tuned from the first subtopic to the last one so that you can be able to understand the whole topic. Is it clear? Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let us see how to, what are the methods? That means how to represent a set. How to represent a set. The first method is called the descriptive method. It is called the descriptive, yes, descriptive method. Descriptive method. That means we are describing a set by words. This is the method of explaining or defining a set or describing a set, a certain set by word. For instance, we can say let A be the set of all cows, all black cows in the grazing field. Is it? For that is another one of the example. Or we can say another one. It can be like let A be the set of all even numbers less than 20. So by writing those that definition by words, that's what we call describing. That is describing. That means explaining the whole set by words. So for instance, you can say let maybe P be a set of all even, yes, even numbers. It can be even numbers, yes, less than what? Less than 20. Less than 20. This can be written as, we can say, this can be, yes, this can be, yes, this can be what? P is equal to, yeah, P is equal to what? All even numbers, yes, less than 20, less than 20. So that is what we call the descriptive method. That is what we call the descriptive method. That means the set, its members are described in words. For instance, this sentence here, that's what we call, we say, in words. Yeah, that is descriptive method. But the second method is called the roster method or listing method, but it is so much common as the roster methods. Yeah, dear students, don't get bored. This is just the beginning. You know, our education is a spiral in form. Yes, that means you are learning concept from simple to complex. So just wait. This is just the beginning. You will see next time. Yeah, the roster method. That means the roster method. For instance, can you see this? Instead of saying instead of writing this sentence that all even numbers, yes, all even numbers less than 20, you can list those numbers. You can list those numbers. For instance, by considering the same example, let's say P now will be equal to, what are the even numbers? Yes, less than 20. You are going to write all those even numbers and separating them by comma, this one. Then the next even numbers is 4, followed by 6, followed by 8. Then we have 10 and 12. Yes, the next one is 14, then 16, and the last one is 18. So these are the even numbers less than what? Less than 20. Yes, now, yes, another method of representing a set is called set builder notation. Yes. Notation. Set builder notation. Here, we are describing here we are writing the elements of a set by using a specific symbols, by using a specific mathematical symbols. Yes, for instance, so we can say this method involves the use of formulas to describe a set. So if the elements are described by using the symbols, yes, I have told you, like, let's say, for instance, normally it is so much common to use X. Yes, it is. Now the symbols we are talking about here is X, especially the small letter X. Or for instance, yes, for instance, yes, we can say the set of all odd numbers. How can we write? Maybe that set is K. Let us say that set is what? K. Yes, I have decided to call that set of odd numbers to be K. Therefore, we are going to write the letter. I said that the common letter for this form of representing it is X. So we can say where. Now this is what we call the colon. A K is the set of X such that, what is X now? What is X? X refers to odd numbers. So this is the formula of odd numbers. But what is N? You see, that's why we are saying that it is the way of representing the element of a set by using a formula. Now this is the formula. Can you look at this one? Now what is N? You must define what is N. Where N is an element of natural numbers. Where N is an element of natural numbers. What are these natural numbers? Those numbers from 1 up to, yes, those positive numbers. It's something like we can say that it's like counting numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and whatever. Now, next time we are going to see how we can use this formula to deduce each element. Yes, to deduce each element. So this is the way, this is what we call the set builder notation. Set builder notation, yes. For today, let's just see the exercise. Let me leave you an exercise on the application of this concept we learned today. So take your exercise book or a piece of paper, write down the exercise, the questions, and try to do them. Tomorrow we are going to start with the correction and marking your exercise. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to do this exercise, but don't hesitate to contact with me by using this phone number whenever there is any challenge. Yeah. Goodbye.